Peace FM 104.3. Would you mean Taki?
And yet, now Yekoyi speaker. Bagbe is one of the most experienced. What's Parliament 28 years?
And yeah, one of the is the most experienced.
Wrong.
The most.
And he said, and no correct. I choose my words advisedly. Say no correct, but there the dear. He is supposed to be the best of all speakers on my back when he's supposed to be the best.
Sure.
Because he has seen it all. Now, why a minority, majority leader, Asabeya first deputy? There's a lesson to learn there, Kadna. Few weeks ago, now Joe Wise and a second deputy. No, a senior.
Joe Wise
a
first deputy.
No, a senior to Bagbe.
Yeah.
Adecheya Adanio. Bagbe Finechi, Abedin Nim. It's a lesson. Enti Sanya Manyama way nyina chere say. Here I say it in my governance class. Say, position is not possession. Mrebi na to na wo ho nya wo dia
Adum bi keke.
adom keke. Enti se wonya saa niema na wo ye adwuma no wa ye ni yie. No wo bu nipa. I have a strong conviction say Bagbe will do well. He should not disappoint us. I'm sorry, but Obi te say Martin Amidu. Me boni dinya na me sorry gina ho. Unfortunately, I was disappointed. The Juma the man na saying he didn't impress me at all. Na Mr. Honorable Bagbe, right honorable, right Kennedy. So he should not disappoint Ghanaians. Because ye nim ni su, ye nim ni ban, ye nim what he stands for and his values. Inti onye jumani ye yama Ghana ho dono enwura ye mu ne ye yadwen se ye boa mo man no aye yie edu ba dia na individual interest ne doso dodo na sebe nipa bia e won ne nanso na o negatives doso say o positives na wan kasa so akakaka. President say they are going to work together in collaboration. They are going to work together, and that's how it's supposed to have been all this while. On mine hold it baby or come to me count some kunyani they do as you on mine inti. Here papa ya ni trimu truka ni ya ekoso. Obisi akane na watwe me so still om nya ombe yina fia.
Na watwe me aka nan kron.
So still om nya no ombe yina ombe so omgu nanim ase. E say onu ankasa ni so ban funti.
Impeachment anya you know ompa na anya ye ombe impeach no.
And it's getting to a point on one call for so support to say ye emphasize any no. So to me power is transient. To many be doing some man. Then I would hear any people being your Irishim say, assume say Bob Boaman near Marcoso. Into Banner one to me and yes, I did not. No man call for says from. I like the conviction of the NDC say, ye be winning. They went all out, no one so be winning. And you see, the last time I see in politics, dogs are more honest than human beings.
Say again.
In politics, dogs are more honest than human beings.
Explain.
It sounds say, Ode come my aircraft room. Now I say what bread and now the ninka on person or best sign when we say come and sign. Then more in politics, nipadi do a cheat or no aircraft was sign when it trim. Inti anyawo wan say obi ka say me wo hade enso me to abane maw. That's politics. Onim ni trim asem wasai wo ni trim. So enti enyeman kitenkete a eboa ma onipa no say ade a meye susu ampa ebeboa ana emmoa na wakotena ho eno an say wote ho. Then a wo ye me ye dia kai wo say asomasi ba ye we ni no ye enti ye be kai no. And then, besides even MPs, why do they mention the name of Yele Chere? That's not Bonidi or by Ye Duma Manipa Kaino. If you must be firm, yes, school, let the school pass through you. But when would you be more confirmed Parliament work? Just say, sometimes one thing near me, but we have a long way to go as a country. They don't deserve to be members of parliament because at the cost of parliament on tears here and also here. Sa no ya vie nine. No sorry no ko ni amana es gracia.
Well, committee work.
President honorable.
Well, committee work. On constituency.
No assign attendance keke. Onya fi is because yen nyina either we acquiesce or we condone. Say as soon as you onya fi ha so oye ye hu nipa nti enya fi.
Then acquiesce no.
Acquiesce. Na to one obi ya de enya na o hwe na.
Just oye hwe ha.
Oye hwe ha.
Ayo. Matias.
Enya o. Let's build the institution. Say parliament approve budget. And your man executive so mfa nkoye adwuma. Now parliament necessary wo hwe say ye disika 100 million ma onobo ya abobia samo so mfa nkoye ka akwan wa denta. Susu one power the kwan no oka so okoye kwan no 6 lanes or ye 4 anase or ye 3. Parliament necessary o hwe man kwan ya o man na ko humasika no ye hwe so ne use ne ye. Parliament edu badi a adwuma no enkoso sa. So more money da ho. The committees must work.
Minority will have their say.
And not in the process, to see any bigger majority. And to say, not just have your say and I'll have my way. That will not work.
Okay.
And ultimately, Ghana will be the winner.
Mayor Ghana, me see me eternal optimist. Abai yato no premo tripe. Ebinmu de 200 years, 300 years. Ye afi ni esimu. Ebri bi atwa mu no. Yamincha de na tuo ene kase fa sia da menna ene yetimi asisa ban akwa ba asisa ban san desisa ban inti migidi se de da yanim no eso chen de atwa mu no se de atwa mu no nyina ye de asua de ene Ghana nitimi to abatia obi ebi bi atwa mu no yo nyina ye to akofa akub de wotumi ne ye to ama no 92 de ye si me doko kaya yakoto presidential we ne hu se parliament ni yakoto a obi a beto ama de odi nkunim obi a pese obeyi ne ho afiri emontia bi before se ye nkoto aba ne bi kura enso edu 96 ne hu se no kura ye ha ye ho afse ye koyan ke binya kakra bi nkia no be din 96 ye nya 66 ne ano edin kura chen majority no JH Mensanom ne hawa Yakubu no ne safumafo no dwuma mu di ni sa parliament no ena e dia ba bedru ne e bibrem ha ba bi no ho a constitution ni dru ha no ma sesa no mte so ba bi bebre wo ho a edru ho a be ben ya na president de ko mo sesa constitution na mentra so
bala oni bibi student a o ya first class student na chena wakwa exams na wanya second lower na de ho ho a mimi ho ambufu
homfa ho ko dia enkwala boni sem ti wa bu se we de manye di
did you tum say
o ka wasem
me ka wasem ti
Matias
go hwe Ghana ye buy wo ya to aba emprengotwe Matias but baby I emprengotwe emprenso no de kokodru ye no nanke ni se ya sam
na me ka se de to ye na bi si da se apai na obi enya ahoɔden bi ogina na ahoɔden so ndc fuwe ba o maye o madwen dog say o me o madwen so bedi nkunim ade do o me o madwen say chinchini a de o se ye bia o se ye di nkunim say the speaker ba ye be botu ye be butu ballot box ye be twiti ntade ye be attack clerk ye be se ye bia o se ye di nkunim bia ya boy ho se ye be ye ade na o se basa ade na pim wani mu no
me hwe ade na
ye hwe ni ye ade na pim wani mu no
ebo be 520 ko 530 no me ye mo hye me na mama yem sheme ebisa me hu se enti de nkonfo yi se ebobe no ndu kodu ba ko ho na yenya speaker ye be re nyama mpani
se no ntina MPP fo no no mo ayemre no ebisa no mo mani abre se o se yenya speaker enti kopi mani na ji yensem a asa enti na gidi ni na o se ba ko yemre there would have been a constitutional crisis
because free to anajo 12 no kra kokosi sa how much 6 no cry nya president no cry no there was a problem there
who say chief justice at a point he
left
now they now bro
because na mu ye na ajo bia and my thinking was that
inti no kra si atia ba ya chi ne yati ba ya chi a syllabus no sisan syllabus no e di nya first class no e sisan we dey ya kwa ni ehuru bi da 137 ya to aba ama aye pepepepe ABC da
Musuma mama ngo help ampofu we si medwe so
Peace FM 104.3 Good to meet you.